Today's challenge is very similar to yesterday's. You have the choice between Challenge A, which is an advanced challenge, and Challenge B, which is a simpler, more basic challenge. The first thing we'll do is we'll open up the Scratchpad IO, and we'll do our split screen using the Windows button and a left or right arrow. Next, you'll click on the challenge that you've chosen, and as we did yesterday, we'll copy the HTML using Control-C, go over to the Scratchpad, hit Control-A and Control-V, and you'll get your HTML there. I would do this, and you can start putting your rule sets in here. When you're finished, remember you have to add this address to your private comments, otherwise it won't save. Have fun.